Hey Yoke, what's the word with those who are notified about this video, the Chico Army? But if you don't have that bell set, you don't have your spot. You're just a viewer of the tube. My name's Tyler, the host of the crypto channel that, just like Mulder from X-Files, we ask the big questions.
Yes, select again.
Bible for 400, please.
During the second plague, these amphibians came out of the water. Stephen.
What are frogs?
Right.
What are frogs?
What are DeFis? It's time for Chico Crypto. DeFis, well they are those finance thingies which involve cryptocurrency somehow. I mean, can you give a better description without just saying what the DeFi acronym stands for? Decentralized finance? I bet you can't. So how are we to get new people into DeFi if you can't even explain what it is, what it does, and how it puts financial power back into the people's hands? Well, you don't try and explain it to them, you just get them to use it. And a great initial case study of this is with Reddit and them tokenizing Karma with a few of their subreddits. I'm sure you know of it or have heard of it, but the subreddits Our Cryptocurrency and Our Fortnite BR were chosen to run a test phase where community members would be rewarded with an Ethereum token, Moons for Our Crypto and Bricks for Fortnite. So the test is nothing new. It was announced all the way back in May, 5 months ago, and it was launched with a full detailed website explaining what was going on and a constructed vault wallet for users to hold the tokens within Reddit. So for nearly 5 whole months, both of these subreddits with over 1 million members each could have been using the tokens, accumulating, post farming, and more. Were they? Well, a small subset of them were. Let's look at Moons from Our Cryptocurrency and its token on Etherscan and the Rinkeby testnet. As we can see, there aren't even 8,000 holders of the tokens. And as we can see, the Our Cryptocurrency subreddit has over 1.1 million members, aka just 0.68% of them are using Moons, not even 1%. How about Our Fortnite BR? Well, what I found interesting about this is they actually have more addresses, aka holders, than a crypto sub. As we can see from Bricks on Etherscan, it has over 36,000 holders, but still not as many when compared to how many people are part of that community. Nearly 1.38 million to be exact, so that means only 0.54% of that sub have claimed the tokens. So there's a ton of room for growth with both, and slowly but surely this will get more people into the world of crypto and DeFi and them actually using it. So if you go to the Our Crypto Daily Discussion yesterday, it's seriously 90% one thing. It's about the community points moons. Moon this, moon that, how to get them. I mean, total comments for the daily was nearly 1,200. That's serious bull market type numbers for that subreddit discussion page. Yet we aren't in a serious bull market. Why the sudden spike in interest? Our Fortnite BR doesn't have this type of interest surge. They don't have a daily discussion, but every single post for the day has nothing to do with Bricks. Not one of them is discussing it over there. So what happened with Moons? Well, Moons, they became tradable, which means they have actual value tied to them now. As we can see, Moons are currently trading for 13 cents a piece, and over the weekend they hit a hype cycle high of 35 cents. So people are figuring out that they can now get paid to post on the internet. It's beginning with just these 2 subreddits, but Reddit plans to roll this out, Ethereum-based community tokens, to every single Reddit and every single user. So remember, I said this is a great case study of bringing people into not only the world of crypto, but DeFi too. Let me explain that. So value, aka money, is a funny thing for getting people to do things. Once they realize they can get a monetary reward, they put in the work and learn how to get that reward. As we can see, a top post on Our Crypto is a detailed guide converting Reddit moons to dollar bills. Digging into it, you can see it's a long tutorial full of learning how to interact with Reddit's own vault and MetaMask, sending to XDAI, trading on HoneySwap, and sending back to the main chain. Not the easiest of things, but if you know what you're doing, it's not that complex. Now, let's go see yesterday how many transactions just by the morning were done with Moons on HoneySwap, aka trades by users. 1,447 trades, and the day still had over 12 hours to go. So I know every single one isn't a unique user, so for simplicity of things, let's just take it down to 1,000. Remember, there are only about 7,500 actual holders of Moons. That means over 13% of the actual holders have dug into DeFi and learned to trade in just 2 days since the trading went live on HoneySwap. Not bad, and it's going to ramp up. So besides Moon's trading, I see a huge, massive, I'm talking critical opportunity here with the other subreddit, r/FortniteBR. This is a gaming non-crypto subreddit that has over 36,000 people who have the tokens, crypto ones, in their hands. They have crypto users who are not involved with the markets, aka pure noobs. So this is a massive chance to not only bring them into the crypto markets, but bring the largest wave of outside people ever into DeFi. And those involved with Bricks on that subreddit are looking to utilize their reward tokens. One of the last popular posts about them on the subreddit is about this new feature implemented, where the coins could be turned into Reddit Gold and memberships, which a user gave away 9 rewards, 1 platinum membership, and some Reddit coins to people. Then, that same day, someone posted a chart which showed the conversion rate for each award, and as we can see, the post was highly commented on, with people talking about monetary values. Dude, you have enough for the $100 monetary reward. Yeah, they're already realizing markets are being built. So it's time to do exactly what was done with Moons and do it to Bricks. It's time to get them trading and having value, which will make that sub go wild. So what was done with Moons? Well, the tokens were moved from the Rinkeby testnet to a sister network, an Ethereum mainnet staging network called XDAI. This requires a token bridge, and XDAI has one built for the Rinkeby testnet, as we can see. Their wiki says, the main use case of the arbitrary message bridge AMB between the Rinkeby testnet and the XDAI chain is to relay tokens emitted by Reddit, e.g. Moons and Bricks, to a chain with real value, XDAI, through the AMB extensions. So it is possible right now to transfer Bricks to XDAI for trading, but as we can see, there is no link to a UI. It's just code for people to build their own and the contract. So how are our cryptocurrency users right now getting theirs transferred easily, their Moons? Well, developer Austin Griffith kindly built a bridge UI called the XMoon Exchange. So a developer needs to build a UI, a simple and clean one for Bricks, or Austin. If you're watching, add Bricks to the XMoon Exchange. After this, it's simple. All the infrastructure UI is already built. HoneySwap can add Bricks, no problem. Actually, anyone can at any time. The next step would be educating that subreddit on crypto trading. You remember the tutorial someone put together for our cryptocurrency on turning Moons into dollars? Do the same for Bricks and post it on the r/FortniteBR subreddit. So my first step, a nice little meme to get the conversation started. Bricks sad Pepe, Moons happy rich Pepe, with the title, Bricks could have real world value right now. Moons from our cryptocurrency are trading for 13 cents. Why not Bricks? Will it work? Will the mods even let me post a meme? Well, I'm just one person and one crypto channel, and getting these non-crypto users into the world of cryptocurrency is going to be a team effort from all walks of life, from developers to your average run-of-the-mill person with a computer and a keyboard, and the ability to post. So, you guys, this is an opportunity for DeFi education the space cannot miss. Cheers, I'll see you next time.